Hello, YouTube. Matthew Grinnell here. What you see on the camera in front of you is a bunch of electrical junction boxes and wire. Why is the wire red? That's what some of you are probably wondering. Some of you who are fire freaks or fire alarm fans would know what that is. It's 2-conductor fire alarm wire. And there's quite a bit of it here. I don't know if you guys can see there, but there's 2 conductors in there. It's unshielded. They're shielded inside by insulation, but there is no copper one around it, and there's no core. So this is just 2-conductor fire alarm wire right there. And then what you see in front of you is several junction boxes, and these are for horns, strobes, and pole stations when they come in. I got them in the mail right now. They're coming very soon. As I'm filming this, one will be in tomorrow. That'll be a Wheelock AS horn strobe in red. Coming on Monday is an Edwards 270 SPO pole station and a BG12 pole station by Firelight, and then there is a System Sensor Spectra Alert Advance 2-wire edition in white. And then, oops, as you saw, I just knocked one of the junction boxes. Yeah, I got screws in there so I can mount them up and get them ready to go. And then I have a Simplex 4903 9460 ceiling mount in white, horn strobe. That is all the fire alarms that are coming, but these junction boxes are going to hold those horn strobes and pole stations. Today I got very interesting thing coming in too, so as I'm filming this, I'll probably make another video about that after it comes. But last time I checked, it was out for delivery, so it'll be delivered at some point today. Other stuff that's coming is may or may not have a review, but there's quite a bit coming. And this junction box here already has 2 of the knockouts punched on it, as you can see right there. And that's going to be where the wire plugs into the wall and goes out to the different notification appliances. Probably going to knock another one of these sides out so I can connect it to the other pole station wire in series and put it in through the middle knockout on this this one here, middle knockout right there, that one. As for these are regular double gang electric boxes, galvanized, and what you do is you knock out the different parts you want to use of it and then put the wire through. One of those will be mounted on the ceiling. The double gang will be one of the double gangs will be mounted on the ceiling for the Simplex 4903 9460 horn strobe ceiling mount in white. And then there will be a 2 double gangs mounted on the wall, one for the Spectral Alert and one for the Wheelock AS, and then single gangs for the pole stations. But for all the horn strobes out there, you need a double gang back box like you see right here. And then single gangs are for your pole stations. And that's otherwise specified by the manufacturer of the pull station. But the pull station usually goes on a single gang. Single gang means that only one socket, whether it be a light switch or outlet, goes in the box. Double gang means two of whatever item you're using go into the box. It's real simple. So, I tend to ramble a lot in the videos, but hey, that's what you get. As for mounting placement, like I said, but make sure you put it up in the right way. Otherwise, you might just end up on We Love Fire Alarms. Fire alarms fails. Whether the alarm system is installed incorrectly via upside down or whatever you end up doing, but they got quite a bit of commercial fire alarm wire like you see here. And no, I'm not getting a panel yet, if at all, but I'm not getting a panel right now. Basically, it's just going to be a small mini system made up of those 3 alarms and 2 pull stations. If you don't have a panel and you can't do a backup power for it, basically what you do is you can take anything from 6 volts DC all the way up to 24 volts DC, and don't go any higher than that to wire up all your devices, because if you go any higher than 24 volts DC, you'll fry your system and your devices won't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it on 9 volts, and that's going to be 9 volt DC. And you can run it off of batteries, or you can run it off of wall power, but don't plug it directly into the wall. And then as for other emergency alert system type of stuff, I got a Lithonia lighting combo exit sign coming in the mail here soon too. So when that comes, I'll do a review on that. But basically, that's all there is for the video today. So thank you for watching. If you want me to create a separate channel for fire alarms, just let me know. There may not be any future upgrades to the system. It might just be those 3 and those 3 for a while. And it's temporary because I can't modify anything where I'm at. So it's just temporary and screws into the wall and it's done. So thank you for watching. Like I said, comment, rate, subscribe for more. Hello YouTube, Matthew Grinnell again. Doing a quick video on license plates. So, as you can see right here, we have the state of Texas, aka the Lone Star State. This plate is dead, so go ahead and try to run it. You won't find it. San Diego Chargers, not a fan of them, and they're not in San Diego anymore for 1, but 2, not a fan of them, but it's a license plate, so it qualifies for the collection. Next up, we have the state of Oregon. This is a motorcycle plate, and also dead. Here we have the state of Florida. And the plate is from Polk County, Florida, and the number is also dead, so go ahead, try and run it. Then we have an old blue California state plate. It's pretty much gone, but it's still there. You can still clearly read what it says. And then as for that one's also dead. That one's also dead. This came off the Ford Taurus that we have, but it's now registered in the state of, you guessed it, California. But then we got the other Texas plate. Ignore that. That's for charging up the battery for my drill, which is currently right there.
That's what I use to mount that, and all of these, as you see there. Now, I'm not going to leave that 4903 box stuff like that. It's just got extra wire in it for now because I didn't feel like cutting it off. But there's quite a bit of extra wire in there. But as you can see, there's one wire that goes all the way across here. And then there's 2 wires that come out of this box, but there's going to be 3 going in it. Then over here, we have 1 wire going in, 1 wire going in, 3 wires going in, because we got the one from that box, and down here, all going in here. Oh, and here's a funny joke for you. I would not recommend eating this because it's very old, but still, in case of emergency, break glass. It's quite funny, actually. And then, as you know, the Time Soldiers arcade machine, which is covered in video games right now. Look, my classic N64, which is getting all dusty over there. Shame. I gotta clean that up. Anyway, get some shelves put over here next to the TV, which is here. And no, I'm not listening to that. It's on, but I'm not listening to it because, well, I'm filming and copyright, so we don't need that. But as you guys can see, here's the fire alarm video right there that I was just filming a little bit ago. So, oh yeah, I do have the carpet that goes in front of the arcade now. So the pole for that is long over. That carpet is over there. And no, it's not that zebra print or the Scottish plaid or none of that. It's actually stuck inside a whole roll of carpet. You can kind of see it. It's right there. And it's stuck inside there. So, vlog life. Here's the dog. Say hi, Scruff. And then our other little doggo. She's camera shy. Yeah. You move too much. Look at that pretty face. Anyway, those are our doggos. The cats are hiding, so I'd film them, but they don't like to be on camera. So, especially the gray one I have. Ignore the mess that's around. I gotta get it organized. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe for more.